My coffee has not stood a chance today. And my nerves are bad. It's your walk day. Got senior letters, but I'm not reading them right now. I'm going to read them during my planning later. And I got a donut. Brought cupcakes and donuts for the class today, so of course I'm going to eat a cupcake too. 3-bite cupcake. Ice cold water. Of course. I also brought Rotel for the kids too. So we are eating. It's finally lunchtime. Hot. Added extra meat to mine, and it's ground chicken instead of beef.